How to improve product rankings organically on Amazon. Want more visibility in sales without paying for ads 24/7? Let's talk about how to improve your Amazon product rankings organically so you can show up higher in search results and attract more customers. Let's start with your product title, bullet points, and description. Use high volume, relevant keywords naturally, don't stuff them, and think about what your ideal customer would type into the search bar. Next, upload high-quality images that are zoomable, minimum 1000 pixels, show multiple angles, lifestyle photos, and even infographic images highlighting your product's benefits. Use A+ content that helps you stand out with enhanced visuals, comparison charts, and detailed descriptions that build trust and brand recognition. Amazon rewards products that are always available and competitively priced. Running out of stocks can drop your rankings quickly. Use the Request a Review button inside Seller Central to get authentic customer feedback. These verified reviews can greatly boost your rankings. Fast shipping, low defect rates, and fewer returns tell Amazon your product is trustworthy, helping you climb in search results. Tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or Data Dive can help you track keywords, monitor rankings, and find new opportunities. Bring in extra traffic with Amazon sponsored products ads or external sources like Google, TikTok, or influencer marketing. This can indirectly boost your organic ranking too. Improving your ranking takes consistent effort, but learning the fastest way to find winning products and scale your store doesn't have to be difficult. That's where the OA Challenge comes in. It's the easiest way to master online arbitrage step by step without wasting time on guesswork. Click on the link in the description below to try it out.